Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use MobyMax. This is a free website that can be used to help your kids increase their knowledge on a wide variety of different subjects. You can come here and log in with your information. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. It's really quick and easy to use. They have a lot of different ways that you can use this. I have never used Moby Assessments or these down here, but I've used Moby Learning, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So I got rid of my students, but if you go to this roster, you would be able to see all your students' names and their passwords and everything, and you can do one student at a time, or you can register a lot of students. So let's just say that I'm going to put, Jane. Let's just say that I'm going to put Jane, and then we'll just call her that, and then we'll register her, and I'll say second grade, because that's what I teach. So then she's added on there, and they kind of gave her ID already, and then a password and username, or you can go in and do a bulk, where you can do more than one, or import students. So now that I have her on my roster, I can go to math. And what it would do is show me kind of the last time that she logged in, which of course wouldn't be anything because I just made her up. But there would be the date, how she did, how her scores were. We could also see her progress. It would show me after she does a placement test where she started right here. So let's say she started at the first grade level and then she ended close to the third grade level over here at the end of the year. We can also go and do fact fluency. If I come in here, it'll kind of show me how she's doing in her addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It'll give me a percentage, so she won't move on to the next until she completes, so she can't do subtraction until addition is finished. I also like this because they have a lot of reading that you can do. They also have like spelling and vocabulary and science and phonics and all that good stuff. So there's a lot of different options that you can use with MobyMax. Another cool feature is that you can do real time. So if you have students working in the classroom, you can have this up so you can kind of keep tabs on them to see what subjects they're on, how long they've been going, and then the number of questions that they've gotten right and how many times they're not on task. Another thing that's nice about this is that you can also see the lessons that they failed and how they did on it. You can also print certificates. If you come down here, if they pass a lesson, they get to create a certificate that they designed themselves, so it kind of gets them to use that creativity a little bit. And so then you can print it for a motivation, and they also have different ways that you can motivate them with real rewards or badges or games. They also have a lot of webinars that you can watch in videos to kind of keep you updated with how to use MobyMax or different ways. They also have a classroom dashboard so you can see how your whole class is doing, and student dashboards as well. You can also print reports, which is nice. I would say that this would be an ISTET 7A because you are able to get your students to use different ways to show their knowledge and to also reflect on their learning. And I would also say that it's ISTE T7C because you are able to communicate with the kids and their parents on how they're doing in certain subjects and what they can do to improve on those levels. So I hope you guys enjoy MobyMax.